I'm taking a pic.
Look how fucking stupid he is. Like seriously, look at his face. Look.
Leave my face alone.
Him and his dick, bruh.
You're gonna dip, are you? Are you really gonna dip?
Maybe.
Do what?
Ow!
Dip.
Oh.
If you dip, I dip, you dip. Your hand up on my head.
Hey, give me the sour ones, please. No. Bitch. Then give me those. Julian, he's telling you digging for him.
Hey!
Bitch. Whoa!
Hold on, Renee's down for a second.
She had a coughing attack. She'll be back with us momentarily. I am the new camera operator. Here, maybe the gummy worm will make you feel better.
There's Renee. Look, it's Renee's butt crack.
I hate you.
Leave my ass alone! Give me some trauma. Clearly.
Here, she's got her gummy worm.
My poor little butt bone.
You alcohol?
Huh?
Did you bring you alcohol?
Super alcoholic.
I did drink a whole 18 today. Whole 18 pack.
Ooh, how nice. You want a cookie?
He thinks he's badass.
Basically.
No.
Oh shit, turn your head around.
He drinks bitch
Look
beer.
that way. Oh, look what I did to his neck.
What'd you do?
Turn it around.
Examine.
I want to see.
Oh, he's got
Turn around.
he's got a slight redneck, but he already looks red because it's lighting in the camera.
Redneck, redneck. Turn
You're
around.
so lame.
I want to see it, you dick.
Our camera operator is still down. Oh, she's taking my hair.
Oh.
Catchphrase.
Oh yeah.
No. Yes, we are. Fuck you. Who the hell are you to give me the finger, bitch? Ew.
It's a fanny pack. Fuck me in the butthole. Oh, yeah. Keep your pants off.
Oh, here's his confession that he is gay. Did you hear that? He said, fuck me in the butthole.
All night long.
All night long. Take your pants off, but leave your fanny pack on.
There you go, guys. There you go.
And this happens
Broke
every
like
day.
half my fucking Pringles. Hey, get my camera out of my bag.